Hey campers, Dustin with Hartleys Auto and RV Center. Today I'm going to go through the 2022 Riverside Retro 211. This is a brand new floor plan for 2022. This is replacing their old 189. It's a nice 21-foot cabin, 24-foot overall length with a front permanent queen size bed. So I'll kind of walk around. We'll start on the outside. We'll just go around the camper with you. As soon as you walk outside the door, you'll notice that it has a nice size entry door handle. Going right out back, you've got your square bumper, so you can do all your accessory mounts to it if you'd like, including the grill or the spare tire. Water heater right in the back. Up top, you are wired for a backup camera. 4 stabilizer jacks all the way around. That way you're stabilizing your unit. Then we get over here, you've got your water, your outside shower, and your dump station underneath. Over here is going to be your solar panel plug, just in case you want to do the Furrion solar panel. This is a solar ready port. Then you have your shore power and your coaxial cable, just in case you want a cable. Right above is going to be your fridge access panel. Over here is your hood. That's your hood exhaust. This unit does have the double axle on it. Anything over the 20-foot trailer usually has a double axle on there, or 20-foot series usually carries a double axle on it. Then you go up front, we've got our huge pass-through storage, nice size pass-through storage door, nice and big inside. I don't have the key to this. This is locked up right now. So in the front, we've got the electric power tongue jack, 2 20-pound tanks. Power tongue jack comes stock with the Riverside Retro, so it is a great feature to have. Over on this side, we've got our other pass-through storage. Again, I think it's locked, so my apologies on that. Yep. Drain system up top. Nice size awning on here that is electric with the LED lighting. Outside speakers, double step. Then we walk onto the inside. As soon as you get onto the inside, to the right hand side, you've got everything for your TV. Put a TV up here, mount it up top, whatever you'd like to do. You've got your control panel over here, which is going to give you all your levels. Open up your slide. Then down here, we've got some cabinets. Also on the back wall, we've got your bath. In the bath, you do have your moonlight. And right above the toilet, you've got your fan, shower. Right there's your medicine cabinet and your sink. And right there's your toilet. That gives you a little bit more room. Alright, so that's the toilet and the bathroom. Then you come out to your thermostat. Nice big fridge with a freezer section in there. Fuse box underneath. You've got your 3-burner stove with your oven. A lot of these don't have an oven, so this is a nice feature. Above that, you've got your light and your hood with your fan, microwave, cabinets. Check out this huge sink. All stainless steel. Nice big sink. Everybody loves that. Lots of countertop room for the size of the trailer. Underneath the sink, you've got storage. Then we get over into the bed. Nice walk around queen size bed. Plugs right next to your outside of your nightstand. Wardrobes on both sides of your bed. Nice part about this is you have this huge shelf up top. And then behind here, you also have a little cubby spot. It's hard to see right now, guys, but behind this right there. Behind this little section here, you've got a cubby spot back there that you can put like your phone or whatnot. Underneath your bed, you do have storage. You are splitting the underbed storage with your pass-through though. So where that blocks off right there, in front of that is your pass-through storage. That right there is a quick walkthrough of the 211. This is a brand new floor plan by Riverside Retro. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Check out the other ones, and I hope you like it.